So one of the comments I get all the time on our videos is that I don't have hood struts, that I've done all these other modifications, but not something so simple. So today we're gonna add hood struts. We purchased the Havoc off-road hood struts. So let me show you how to install. First off, you're gonna need a 13 millimeter to come back here, and the bolt is way back in the corner, and you just need to break it loose so that you can install your piece. You just simply put it through, and then you put your bolt back. The instructions aren't super clear, but you do need to leave it kind of twisted in some when you. Same thing on the other side. Simply take it, put it in. All right, on to our next part. So before you put this piece in the second hole, you need to make sure you have it threaded about a third of the way so that when you stick it in, you already have a good base. So you simply stick it in here. I'm gonna turn it. You're gonna need to like pull snug so that when you twist, it holds. And I would twist as far as you can and then go back and tighten it. But I twist by hand as far as you can, for sure. And then we'll go back and tighten with a 12 millimeter wrench. One of the things my husband always says is that when you're doing something like this, you should pre-thread. So just a pro tip, when you start threading, make sure that it threads all the way down, just because sometimes they're not like they should be, and it makes your life a little easier as you're working. So just my pro tip of the day. But same thing, come over here, you go to the second hole, slide it on in, apply a little pressure. You can see that sometimes it slips, but just keep pulling and it makes it all up. But you can tell I'm not a mechanic, but you know, I'm learning. I'm gonna get it tight enough. Use your 12 mil again. So the directions say that this just pops in, we're gonna see. Oh, it did. Look at me, my little muscles popping it in. To do this portion, you are going to have to lift the hood a little bit to get it in place. Once you finally get it where you need it, just press. So, yeah, good to go. All right, let's do the next one. Same thing on this side, press it in. All right, and you hold your hood up again, press, and voila, you're finished. So now I should be able to easily pull my hood down and pop it back up. So let's see. Excuse my short people problems, but here we go. Oh my gosh. Should be able to pop it up. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. I love it.